All right, listen up. Are you ready to change? Are you ready to feel strong? Good. Because today, right now, we start something amazing. This is your 15-minute fat-burning workout. It's fast, simple, and you don't need any fancy gym stuff. No weights, no machines, just you, your body, and your will to succeed. Get ready to sweat and smile. This workout is perfect for beginners. Maybe you haven't worked out in a long time or ever. That is okay. The important thing is that you are starting now. This routine is designed to be easy to follow. We will go step by step. You will learn each move and feel your body getting stronger every single day. Trust me on this. You can do this. Everyone is busy. Life is crazy, right? But who doesn't have 15 minutes? You can find 15 minutes. The point is, this workout fits into your life. No more excuses like, I don't have time. You do have time for this. You have time for your health. You have time for yourself. Let's get ready to make it happen, starting today. Why should you work out? Let me tell you. It's not just about looking good. Though, that's a nice bonus, right? Working out is about feeling good. It's about having energy. Real energy. Not that fake coffee energy. I'm talking about energy to play with your kids, chase your dreams, and live your life to the fullest. Moving your body makes you feel alive and powerful. Exercise does incredible things for your body. When you move, you burn calories. This helps you lose extra fat. Working out also builds strong muscles. Strong muscles help you do everything. They help you carry groceries, climb stairs, and even stand tall and proud. Your body is designed to move, so let's move it. And it's not just your body that gets stronger. Your mind gets stronger too. Exercise is a huge stress buster. Feeling worried? Feeling anxious? A good workout can help clear your head. It releases happy chemicals in your brain called endorphins. They make you feel good and positive. Plus, regular exercise helps you sleep better. When you work your body, it gets tired in a good way. This means you fall asleep faster, sleep deeper, and wake up feeling rested and ready for the day. Good sleep, more energy, less stress, a stronger body. These are amazing benefits, and they all start with just a little bit of movement each day. Okay, team, let's talk about the exercises. These are your tools to burn fat and build strength. We have picked moves that work your whole body. They are simple and effective. And remember, you don't need any equipment at all, just a little bit of space. Let's get familiar with our fat-fighting crew. First up, we have jumping jacks, a classic for a reason. They get your heart rate up fast. They work your legs, your arms, your core. Everything is moving. Next, we have high knees. This one is like running in place, but with a mission. You lift those knees high. It's great for your lower abs and for building cardio fitness. Then, we move to bodyweight squats. Squats are king for your lower body. They work your thighs, your glutes, your butt, and make your legs strong and toned. We will learn how to do them right so you get all the benefits. No bad form here. Finally, we have wall push-ups. Regular push-ups can be tough for beginners, so we start with the wall. This move builds strength in your chest, your shoulders, and your arms. It prepares you for harder push-ups later. But for now, the wall is your friend. These 4 moves are your ticket to a fitter you. Simple, effective, and ready to go. Before we jump into the main workout, we need to warm up. Your body needs a little heads up. A warm-up tells your muscles, hey, we're about to work. It gets your blood flowing and makes your joints feel loose. This helps prevent injuries and makes the workout feel better. A good warm-up is short, simple, and super important. Don't skip it. Our warm-up will only take about 2 minutes. First, let's do some arm circles. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Hold your arms out to your sides. Make big circles forward for 30 seconds, then backward for 30 seconds. Next, we'll do some marching in place with arm swings. Just march like you're walking, but stay in one spot. Lift your knees gently and swing your arms naturally. Do this for about 30 seconds. Last part of the warm-up, torso twists. Stand with your feet a little wider than your shoulders. Keep your hips facing forward. Gently twist your upper body from side to side. Let your arms swing loosely. Do this for about 30 seconds. This helps loosen up your spine and your core. Feel that gentle stretch. Okay, warm-up done. You should feel a little warmer, a little looser. Now you're ready for the real deal. First exercise in our fat-burning circuit, jumping jacks. You probably remember these from when you were a kid. They are awesome for getting your heart rate sky high. This means you burn more calories. Jumping jacks work your whole body. Your legs are jumping, your arms are moving, even your core is working to keep you stable. It's a total body party. So how do you do a jumping jack correctly? Stand tall, your feet are together, your arms are by your sides. Now jump. As you jump, spread your feet out wide, a little wider than your shoulders. At the same time, swing your arms up over your head. Then jump back to the start, feet together, arms by your sides. That's 1. We will do these for a set amount of time. Keep a good rhythm. Don't go too fast if you're just starting. Next up, high knees. This exercise is another fantastic cardio booster. It really targets your lower abs too. Plus, it helps with your running form if you ever decide to hit the pavement. Think of it as running in place but with extra oomph. You are lifting your knees up high, towards your chest. This intensity is what helps burn fat and build that stamina you want. To do high knees, stand straight, your feet are hip-width apart. Now start running in place. Lift your right knee up as high as you can towards your chest. As you lower your right leg, lift your left knee up high. Pump your arms too. Opposite arm to opposite knee, like you're sprinting. Keep your core tight. Find a pace you can keep up. Now for bodyweight squats. This is your go-to move for strong, toned legs and glutes. Squats work your quads, which are the front of your thighs, and hamstrings, the back of your thighs too. It's a powerhouse exercise for your lower body. And all you need is your own body weight. Here's how to do a perfect bodyweight squat. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Your toes can point slightly outwards. Keep your chest up. Look straight ahead. Now imagine you're going to sit back in a chair. Push your hips back. Bend your knees. Lower your body down. Try to get your thighs parallel to the floor or as low as you comfortably can. Keep your weight in your heels. Then, push through your heels to stand back up. Squeeze those glutes at the top. Last exercise in our circuit wall push-ups. These are a fantastic way for beginners to build upper body strength. You'll work your chest muscles, shoulders, and arms. Regular floor push-ups can be very challenging. The wall gives you support. It lets you build that strength gradually. So, no fear. The wall is your friend here. To do a wall push-up, stand facing a wall. Place your hands on the wall, a little wider than your shoulders and at shoulder height. Take a step or two back from the wall so your body is at a slight angle. Keep your body straight like a plank from your head to your heels. Now, bend your elbows. Lower your chest towards the wall. Get as close as you can. Then push back to the starting position. That's 1 rep. Control the movement. Don't rush it. You did it! You finished the main workout. Give yourself a pat on the back. But wait, we're not quite done. Cool down is crucial. Your heart is beating fast. A cool down helps your heart rate. It helps your muscles relax. This can reduce soreness later. And it just feels good. Our cool down will be gentle. Just a few simple stretches. First, let's stretch those legs. For a quad stretch, stand near a wall for balance. Grab your right ankle. Pull your heel towards your glutes. Feel the stretch in your thigh. Hold for 20 seconds. Switch legs. Next, a hamstring stretch. Sit on the floor. Extend your right leg. Bend your left knee. Place your left foot against your right thigh. Lean forward from your hips. Reach towards your toes. Hold for 20 seconds. Switch legs. Finally, let's do an upper body stretch. Stand tall or sit comfortably. Clasp your hands behind your back. If you can't, just reach back. Squeeze your shoulder blades. Lift your chest. Feel the stretch across your chest. Hold for 20 seconds. Amazing job. Your body will thank you. Get ready for your next workout. You've got the workout, you know the moves. But how do you make this a habit? Consistency is king. Doing this workout regularly brings results. Schedule your workouts. Treat them like important appointments. They are appointments with yourself, for your health. Find a workout buddy or join an online group. Aim for progress, not perfection. Celebrate your small wins. So there you have it, your very own 15-minute fat-burning workout. No equipment needed, perfect for beginners, easy to fit into your busy life. You learn the moves, you know the benefits, you even have tips to stay consistent. You are armed with everything you need to start making a real change in your life. A positive change, a powerful change. I am so proud of you for taking this first step. Remember, this journey is yours. It's about feeling stronger. It's about having more energy. It's about burning that stubborn fat. And it's about building confidence. Every time you finish this workout, you are proving to yourself that you can do hard things. You are investing in yourself. And that is the best investment you can ever make. Keep that fire alive inside you. You deserve to feel amazing. Make this workout a part of your daily routine, or at least try for 3 to 5 times a week. Those 15 minutes will add up. You will start to see results. You'll feel your clothes fitting better. You'll notice more energy. You'll stand taller. Don't give up if you don't see changes overnight. Real results take time. They take commitment, but they are so worth it. Believe in yourself. You have the power. You have the plan. Now all you need to do is execute. Get up, get moving. Press play on your new healthy habit. Don't wait for tomorrow. Don't wait for Monday. Start today, right now. You are capable. You are strong. You are ready. Go out there and crush it. I believe in you. Now it's time for you to believe in you too. Let's do this.